How's it going, guys? My name is Hisham Shakil, also known as MultiRest91. This is not about myself, it's about Bettish, and my Bettish is pretty good. So, in today's lesson, I will teach you the Bettish alphabet, or to be precise, all the sounds of the Bettish alphabet. You may know that Bettish has 12 letter combinations and 12 letter additions, which every letter corresponds to one sound only. So this means that if you don't know how to read all of the letters of the Bettish alphabet, then you'll if you know I mean then I'll teach you. If you know everything in the Bettish alphabet, then you'll be able to say any word in Bettish. You'll be able to read any word you see written down. Feel free to pause the video and repeat the sounds. I will say each sound thrice. So, without further ado, here are the sounds of the Bettish language.